Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make marble chocolate-covered strawberries. First, gather your ingredients: fresh, ripe strawberries, white chocolate, and dark chocolate. Next, wash and thoroughly dry each strawberry. This is crucial for the chocolate to stick properly. Then, melt your white and dark chocolates in separate bowls, using either a microwave or a double boiler for smooth consistency. Now, hold a strawberry by its stem and dip it completely into the melted white chocolate, ensuring an even coating. Gently tap off any excess chocolate before placing it on a sheet of parchment paper. Repeat this for all your strawberries. Once they've set for just a moment, take your melted dark chocolate and drizzle it artfully over the white chocolate-covered berries. Don't worry about perfection, the beauty is in the swirl. To create that beautiful marble effect, grab a toothpick or a small skewer. Gently drag it through the drizzled dark chocolate and into the white chocolate beneath. Experiment with different motions to create unique, elegant patterns on each strawberry. Remember, the key is to swirl lightly. Too much mixing will blend the colors completely, losing that distinct marbled look. Aim for a few graceful strokes per berry. Finally, place your beautifully marbled strawberries into the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes. This chilling time allows the chocolate to set completely, ensuring a firm and delicious coating. Before serving, gently touch a strawberry to confirm the chocolate is solid. Once set, they are ready to be enjoyed. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.